At Square, we primarily use Datadog to monitor Caviar, which is our food delivery business. For example, on Tuesday, June 16th at around 7:30 a.m., our pager went off. And it showed us that one of our services, the one that takes most of the orders from our diners, was failing. Here it's, I think, a 1% error rate on the overall service. Right? So first thing that we did, we popped up Datadog, and the first thing we see is this bit about Watchdog at the bottom showing us that, hey, there's this endpoint, it's the home controller index method, and that is totally crashing at like a 90-something% error rate. Probably an issue. So we click in, and sure enough, Watchdog shows us that increased error rate, we're still getting traffic to the endpoint, but then at the bottom, it's got this awesome call out of a stack trace that's common across all of the errors. And here you can see that service region URL name is being passed as new space York. It's actually being passed into a Rails like generator, and it's not able to find the route. Somebody had accidentally changed it from new dash York to new space York. The space was breaking it. Went into the database, fixed it, and then everything is back to normal. So pretty cool. Watchdog noticed that there was a problem. It identified exactly where the problem was with the endpoint, and it picked up the common stack trace, allowing us to know why it was broken and fix it quickly. So to me, that's awesome. Basically, Watchdog is giving us faster incident response. It's showing us where the problems are in our system that we wouldn't have otherwise seen. And it's showing us like where other impacts throughout the system. Overall, it's pretty great to use, and it's allowing us to essentially deliver a better level of service to our customers.